we decided on a park up for the night already. It's only early afternoon, but this park up's too good to pass up. And there's a walk. Not a long walk, but it's a walk we're going to do. With a view. Look at that for a view. The clouds lifted. And we've just spoken to a guy who's got the same drone as us, and he's just had the drone flying. So that might be a bit later on. It seems a bit breezy to us, but we shall see. But we're going up there. Narrow path. Come on. This is nice.
The things we do for geocaching. But it might even have to go a bit higher, I think. I think you might have to go a bit higher even. So we found it. You'll be able to see up there. We've just got to find a pen now. He's just got to get down now. Where's he gone? Got a wet bum? Just don't slip on the on the grass.
hope you bought me.
Minute run.
The things I couldn't do when I was fat.
I wonder what he's photographing.
Oh. It might be that.
Not sure how close we'll get, but we're gonna try. It's very slippery up here. Very, very slippery. Difficult with one hand because I'm holding the camera in the other. I'd like to go further, but I'm not sure really that I should risk it. Unless I can get around the other way. Oh, I've got my foot stuck. Oh, that was a bit awkward. It's very, very slippery. I'm sat on my bum again. It's a good job it's already wet. And if I had a harness for the camera, I'd risk it, but I'm holding it by hand. Ooh, that was cold. Right up my bum. Where do I put my foot now? Wait a minute, I'm going to put you down while I walk past and I can reach for you. Oh, that was a bit hairy. Keith's trying it from a different angle. It's just so slippery. You're not happy, are you?
Too slippy, isn't it?
Yeah. Not worth risking, is it? It's easier coming down on your bum, to be honest.
Right?
It's easier coming down on your bum. Because I got my foot stuck at one point.
They're going off the ridge now.
Oh yeah. So you can see the van's parked down there. That's where we're going to park tonight. It's just too good an opportunity not to. But As for going further up the waterfall, it's not worth risking really, for the sake of a bit of video. Some are more sure-footed than us, to be honest, and daft. You alright, Rum? We decided to walk up the other side of the road. Hello, you. See what I did there? Different view of the waterfall. Nice and blue over there now. Certainly climbing. There's a pass down there. There's that waterfall we went part way up. Down there is the van. Clear over that way. Clear over that way, but we seem to have some cloud coming towards us. As Keith just said, it's going to be fun going down there, because it was quite slippery coming up. Okay, I'm coming. think we'll get to that bit, and that'll be far enough.
I think we're nearly there.
Yeah.
Well, we knew there was a ridge. That must be Derwent water over there.
Yeah. Well, as I say, you hit one peak and there's always another. We're at the top of the bit I said though. Very breezy now. Don't think we'll be flying the drone. Here comes the rain. Don't know what's got into Rum. I think it's because he's really enjoyed himself. Never usually barks this much. Time to turn round, I think, and go back to the van.
I'm glad you put the heater on.
Not as daft as I look. And I do know we've got a proper camp tea to look for tonight. Sausages, fried eggs, baked beans, and possibly some homemade ginger sponge and custard, or cream. Maybe even a hot chocolate when we get back to the van. Not too far to go now. There's the van. You can see the rain blowing across. Oh, I said earlier it's going to be a camp tea. Pork and apple sausages. I'm going to have some baked beans and some eggs from our own hens. Nice and simple. Very, very tasty on a cold, wet, windy night. Perfect. And rather than carrying a cardboard box of eggs that could get squashed easily, we use these plastic things that just carry 2 eggs in each one. Let me try and show you without. I'm holding the camera between my knees, not easy. It just carries them like that. Nice and simple, nice and cheap, off Amazon. And eggs from our girls. Nice yellow yolks. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's raining hard again out there. Homemade ginger sponge and cream. But it's been in the fridge, so it might be a bit cold.
We need a microwave.
And we definitely don't. We need a microwave in here as much as we need a telly in here. Very much not.